Hello, everybody, and welcome back to a live stream. Yes, we have another things to do because we haven't live streamed in like a week or two, and it's time for us to have fun. We are right now live streaming on. Here, let me switch the intro screen. What's up, everybody? This is my face. Yes, I don't have like a hidden face on this channel, but hey, we're right now live on Omega Given channel and the Omega Solutions channel. So welcome on in to both the channels, whoever's joining us after or during. Okay, so today, the plan for today is we need to 3D model and print live, technically, I don't know, well, live on the side, or at least over here, some things that we were going to sell on a store, Etsy store, if you would. Just basically, like, you know, nice quality of life things, one of which is this deck box that I have been 3D modeling for a while now. This is a remix of something that somebody made online a long time ago, and I'm just making it better, because, yes, might as well make it better. It's also even beefier than the ones before. So this is the original deck box case that is unaltered. This is the new one. The difference is, mine is a little bit wider. Actually, is it wider? Can you even tell the difference? It's a teeny bit wider. It's like about a millimeter or two wider because it needs a little bit more strength because I need only the best for my clientele. Other differences are this one has a circle dial in it because what we're gonna do. Hello there, Mace. What else we're gonna do is this circle is going to have these kind of dials inserted into them. Pushing it the wrong way. But right now it's not inserted in. I need to figure out a better insertion method. So that's something that we need to do. And then with that, we also, I don't know, that's basically it actually. We're just gonna sell it as is like that. Pretty awesome looking stuff. This is just a normal deck box. You know, for Magic the Gathering, you got all your Magic cards and whatnot. You throw them in, and it's super chill. I actually just printed this last night. This is a 2-hour print, so we're not going to be printing these live. We're going to be printing these. We're going to be 3D modeling these dials that I want to insert into these things. So basically, the top thing has a cool card insert for your commander of choice. Goes right on in there, which is pretty cool, Then you have a compartment for extra cards and tokens. Right there, separate from the other section, which will then have the section where you can put your deck of cards. And there we are, deck of cards, and it has like a nice, that's 100 cards there, single sleeve, or 99 cards there, single sleeve. Pretty good, right? Pretty solid. So a couple things that I want to be keep in mind, which actually I just realized I did not do in this model, was I need to actually move this section a little bit closer to the back. That way I can also move this front card a little bit further back, so I can put an acrylic thing in here. What's your most popular video? I don't know. I think most of my popular videos are tutorials on how to do a township tale. Those are most of my popular videos. So we're gonna 3D model a bunch of stuff today. But before we 3D model, I actually just thought about how I have all of this acrylic. I need to use this acrylic here. Acrylic is just basically clear plastic. It's what you use in the center. What do you call it? Photo frames. So this is used in photo frames. You can also use glass, but we're not using glass. That's breakable. Acrylic is not breakable and it's bendable. This is awesome. So I wanted to see if I could cut this down to size, and I just realized that this acrylic could barely fit in this. Oh boy, that's gonna be fun. But yes, we're gonna have to see what we can do for acrylicness to make this work. Let's see. Do I have kind of markers? I don't know if I have markers to be able to do what I want to do. I might have to go and find some markers, because I need to like cut this down to size. And I need an X-Acto knife and a lot of other tools for the, I don't know, stuff. Here, I'm gonna go, you guys listen to some music really quick, have some fun with this music. I am going to go and find some material. Alright, back. I got markers. I could not find an X-Acto knife or a flip. I was gonna grab something else. Wasn't I? I need an X-Acto knife. I also need to cut this with, or to measure this with. All right, maybe we won't cut maybe we won't cut that stuff today. Maybe we'll just work. We'll do the acrylic stuff another day. But yeah, I need to be able to cut this acrylic down to little squares I can put in the inserts of this, so it can help protect the fronts of these cards. I'll do that. I'll put that aside for now. But let's go into 3D modeling. Let's have fun. Let's go into desktop mode. Also activating the camera so you can see me on the side here. Hello. All right. Let's see. Oh, let me turn on the music. Yeah, there we go. Get the music down a little bit so we don't have to be super blasted loud. All right, so I got a couple things I gotta work on here. So this is the box in a 3D model form. I'm trying to always make it a little bit better than the previous generation. The currently issue of this box that I just printed last night is I'm trying to create this lock mechanism, but the lock mechanism isn't quite working too well. Like, it has, the camera won't be able to pick it up, but it has like a part on it that I wish I could get to work, but it's just not working, or it doesn't seem to work. I'm gonna peel off this piece of plastic that's part of the issue, which is right here. This is such a very fine part. That's literally one layer of plastic. And if it's one layer of plastic, it doesn't work that well. It just doesn't lock or stay good. So that's gonna break every single time, basically. So I need to figure out another method to get this thing to lock or become better. I'm right now peeling off this piece of plastic to see if I could just, maybe go without that layer of plastic there. Using nail clippers to peel it off. All right, let's see, almost got it off. Just manually, redoing my plastic friends. So if I have this and I'm trying to put this on in, it has a nice insert in the background. So what does that insert do? It does basically nothing, really. It doesn't really seem to help out anything in here. It's just a bunch of layers. I wonder if because this still has the issue where when you shake it back and forth, which is bad on the cards technically, it will open very slightly. Except for, I guess this is a little bit more sturdy, so this isn't gonna open too much more. I also, okay, let's make a couple quick edits. Oh my god, do you remember me? I do not remember you there. Sorry there, Monkey Man. All right, so let's make a quick edit. I'm gonna do -0.2 on that wall right there, because that wall is a little bit too wide. It looks a little too wide, at least. So now it's 1.2 millimeters. So that'll make it a little better, because right now on the front of this thing, it's not quite flush. It's still sellable. I think it's still good. But it's not quite flush, and I don't like that too much. We need it to be flush. So that's one thing we need to edit. I'll fix that part. I like the bottom. Bottom's fine. Like, it has a little groove system. Everything else is good. Great base. Like that great base print, the great top print. We still just have that issue with the back. All right. But let's fix another thing. Let's fix here. Let me move this around a little bit. Okay, so this face right here is going to need to move. Let me see. Let's inspect this. 1, 2. Oh, I want 1, 2. That is a 1 millimeter wide. We are making a Magic the Gathering deck box, so you can put Magic cards in. So you'll have a front that shows your commander in the front. I don't have a commander right now, or in the front of this, or I have to find one that's like good. I don't know. Where's a cool looking card? I need a cool looking card. Let me find a cool looking card. Cool looking card. Where are you? I got a bunch of gates. I don't know. All my cool looking cards are not at the front. This is a proxy commander. I have some other commanders in the mail. So yeah, basically just this card in the front. What's this width of? This is a. What's the width of this acrylic? Basically, we need to add that much more to the front. 12 by 12. Is this 1 millimeter acrylic? I guess we can tell if it's 1 millimeter if it's the same width as this inner piece. It has about a little bit of give here. I almost want to say it's wider than 1 millimeter. I think it's supposed to be 1 millimeter, but I think it's a little wider. So no, I think that is 1 millimeter exact. Okay, so this is 1 millimeter acrylic. So we got to add 1 millimeter to this front piece. So how do you add 1 millimeter to the front piece? Well, I can do it the easy way, which is this. I could extrude this out 1 millimeter. Then I go to the other side of it and then minus 1 millimeter, -1. So that adds 1 millimeter to the front of the section. That way we can have a acrylic slice in here, and then the person, no blender. No, we're not going to be using Blender today. We're using Fusion 360 just because it's a lot easier to make exact measurements and everything with this. This is for parts and whatnot. It's much better. So that makes it so we can insert a 1 millimeter acrylic piece and then the commander card behind it, and then we'll sell it as that. I'm tempted to get even more space in there, but I don't want it to be too loose or else it could damage cards and such, and we don't want our customers to have their cards damaged. So yeah, that's good there. Also, since we moved this back, it made this section a little smaller. I don't want that section to be too small. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna add 1 millimeter to this section. It's -1 millimeter. Boom. All right, so that section is now back a little bit. And we can do that because there is plenty of space in here. Like, there's a nice chunk of space right here. So if I did move it back 1 millimeter, we could still access the cards pretty easily. So that's a lot better for just that little space in there. All right, so that fixes the front, the sides, and we already fixed this top part, which we made it a little bit thinner. So when you have the top in there, it fits better. So it goes like that, solid as can be. Now, what do we do for the locking mechanism? The locking mechanism is still a puzzling thing to me. Currently, our locking mechanism was supposed to be this, where it's kind of like a, this is supposed to be like a cylinder, an inner cylinder. So that's like a depreciated cylinder. Blender, more like models and sculpting, not this. Yeah, this is for parts stuff. And then I have a cylinder right here. I was kind of thinking it'd lip over, but the thing is, this is so small. That's one layer of plastic, and one layer of plastic does not work. It doesn't fit that well. So I think we're just gonna have to screw over this idea and just be like, no. So I think we're gonna get rid of this whole piece here. I don't think it's helping at all. It's not working. This is also kind of just not working at all either, so I might have to just get rid of this. So let's just get rid of that. Yeah, I don't think it's helping. So yeah, we're just gonna go without it. It's just not working too well, at least. I kind of am tempted to. I had this have a little lip here to be able to, like, I don't know, attach on into this. Actually, how did it turn out right here? It didn't turn out too well. It really didn't turn out too well. I think we might just get rid of it completely. But the current piece right here, I kind of just don't like it. I'm gonna pull it off, actually. It's literally one layer. That's all it is. That's like on that top. So now it's flush. So this right here is one layer of plastic, which is not much. 3D montage. I know, right? All right, so let's see. I think that is good. I think we just might not have a lock mechanism. I guess we just don't have a lock mechanism. It's funny because whenever I watch channels that are like advertising their lock mechanics on their stuff, they always be like, oh, it's not gonna come out. And yeah, it's not gonna come out because every time you go up, the cards actually hit the top and stay on the top. This is not gonna come out. How this comes out is if you shake it back and forth, it opens the lid a little bit. And that opening the lid can like have cards fall out like that. That's the real pain with my design, at least. So I don't know. That's kind of just like how my design works. I might just have to live with it. Maybe we'll just sell it as is for that. I think that's probably what we'll do. It's not 100%, but hey, it's something. Okay, I think so. Getting rid of that. Let me just get rid of this too. I don't know, not too good here with this. Let me find. I think I have some stuff here that I can use to get rid of this. So let's extrude that. -1. Boom. Let's do I not have? There we are. This -1. Just get rid of this chunk. Oh crap. I hate it when it does this sort of thing where it's. Oh no, it's fine there. Okay, and -1. Right now. Oh, this is -0.2. Oh, this is a 0.4, -0.4. Oh yeah, because it's one layer, theoretically. Or is it -0.3? Gosh, I hate this thing. Oh, oops. -0.1. There we go. So that was actually 0.3 out. That wouldn't even work because my nozzle head is 0.4. Here's a little tidbit for people. Whenever you're 3D modeling, you need to make sure you 3D model in the size of the 3D printing nozzle. My 3D printing nozzle is 0.4, meaning every single measurement of mine, unless it's like a diagonal layer, because you can technically, the nozzle can go over less than 0.4, but it all needs to be as if it is 0.4 in width. So for example, this wall here needs to be either 0.4, 0.8, or 1.2. It can't be anything in between that, or else it wouldn't work that well, like all these walls. So that's like the problem I have. And technically it could be different because this is 1 millimeter in width and it's what, 0.4, 0.8, and 1.2. So you can kind of do some stuff. Yeah, you can always ask me any questions. All right, so I think we're just gonna live with that. I think that's gonna be our 3D print. We're not gonna print it now. We'll save that for later. I'm gonna Control S and save this though. Next, we want to texture this. We want to figure out what we're gonna do with this thing, the dial. So for starters, I want to create a sketch right here. What am I gonna do with this sketch is I am gonna actually, so this is a 60 millimeter in diameter. This circle is a 60 millimeter in diameter, and it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It's super, it's almost there, but not quite. I need to make this a teeny bit smaller, just because the clearance is not exact. You have ever gonna upload more about Township Tale? I eventually, but not anytime soon. I'm way too busy for Township Tale right now. So let's make this 59. How does that sound? 59 in diameter. So now that we have a 59, actually we need 2 circles. 60. All right, finish sketch. Grab this face, extrude out, and let's delete -2. 2. Oh yeah, we just deleted it. So now this is 59 millimeters in diameter rather than 60. So that should give us 1 millimeter of space to go into our side circle here. Let's try this out. Because we do have a order that was, I believe, a green side on one side. We need to add a texture to the top surface. I need a texture on it. I don't like this texture. I don't think I can add a texture in. Is there any way I can add textures in here? Modify, assemble, construct. Decal? It's cosmetic decal. Interesting. So place an image on a specific face as a cosmetic decal with an PNG, blah, 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 from Fusion 360, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I don't think that's really what we need. I don't know. Okay, let's export this piece really quick to, what is this? This is body 13, save as mesh. One selected. So this is gonna be forest 59. I'm gonna save that away. Let's pull up my bamboo printer. Prepare. Let's get a new file, new project. No changes. All right, bamboo P1S. Let me go and try to insert this on it so we can use it. Forest 59. Throw this in here. So there's the forest thing. We want to change this to a green color. It's kind of like a foresty green, a little darker. Okay, so we need to arrange the build plates. How do you arrange this thing? I'm still getting better at this. Auto, there we go. Skibbity toilet. Nice. Yes, skibbity toilet's a fun one. All right, so that's our thingamajig. I need to start unloading my printer. I need to throw my green in. Got a bunch of stuff I gotta throw into the 3D printer. My green plastic. Yes. So my printers are off to the side. You're outside. I said skibbity. All right. So we wanted to add a texture. I think you can add a texture to this stuff. I think there's like a, where is it? Special mode? No. Fuzzy skin. Here it is. All walls. Let's slice, and I want to see what fuzzy skin will do. Oh, it's the fuzzy skin applies to the walls, but I don't want it to apply to the wall. I want it to apply to the face. I almost want it to get on the face of it. All walls, contour. Let's slice that. Not quite. Doesn't do it too well. Contour and hole. Slice. That's not quite what we want. We want this to be by layer, by object. Slice. By layer. Spiral vase, traditional smooth, fuzzy skin. I want fuzzy skin or a application that makes the top surface look cool, but I don't know. Alright, I gotta wind back up my other plastic that I have here. If you're ever gonna get into 3D printing and you got tons of plastic, make sure you guys put them in plastic bags. And like, I guess they can't really be sealed shut, but sealed shut is the best way. Because moisture does ruin the plastic over time. So keep it in a dry environment. Now I gotta put the green to cut my green because this green is kind of all weird. Ugh. Get my wire cutters and just snip. There we go. Green all good. Dump that back on the printer. Alright, I think that's loading the plastic. So that loads the plastic. I want to figure this out. I need to add a texture to the top of this. I could load this up in the blender and then try to add a texture via blender. That could be one way to do it. I want the top layers. Ooh, wait, top surface pattern. Ooh. Octagram spiral. What is that gonna look like? Ooh, interesting. What if we did this? We can make it look like a circle. We can make it look like a... I don't know if I like these patterns. Yeah, it's just normal lines. Because the lines on the top are kind of boring when they go the one way. Oh, this all looks like janky junk. I don't like it. Oh, that looks like it could be cool. I like that. I like that. Bottom surface pattern? I don't think. Let's just try it. Oh, I guess you could kind of do it like this. And that could work decently well. So this is a 9-minute print right now. Okay, I think I got it. I think we're gonna try this. Let's print plate this. My printer is busy. I have the printer loaded up and it's ready to print. I just need this to refresh. Come on, load up, load up. Also, bed leveling can be, I don't need a bed level. There we go. All right, send. Let's see how this does. So we got 9 minutes to just chills while this works on its thing. I need to print how many of these. Let me go and check my Facebook on the side and see how much I need to print. So on the side here, we're gonna need to print. Let's see. I gotta open up my thing. Got a couple people from my Facebook Marketplace that would be my guinea pigs while I learn how to do this a little bit better. All right, so the first one's gonna be a black box, which I'm literally gonna be giving them this black box. Because they're my trial people. Left side's gonna be green symbol, right side's gonna be the white symbol. So we're gonna need to work on the white symbol next. Second box is gonna be a red box with a black Jurassic Park emblem on left and white Jurassic Park emblem on right. I should have printed the Jurassic Park emblems first. Darn. All right, so let's model those ones really quick because might as well get his order fulfilled. All right, so this I need to edit. I need to edit this, edit sketch. All right, so I want to edit all of this, because this needs to be resized a little bit. Where is it? Modify. I think there's scale sketch. Point is gonna be right here, and we're gonna scale this down to 0.8. Or do we want to do this 0.9? Probably just do 0.9. We're scaling it down a little bit, and then we're going to modify this a little bit. We're gonna make this 59. Actually, is the baby printer? Yeah, it's preheating. Okay. All right. So this will be the white symbol. I can just extrude and extract and all that stuff. That's how it'll happen pretty quickly. So I think I'm good there. I think my next thing I need to do is I need to, let's see. I need to get a Jurassic Park symbol. I need to get a Jurassic Park symbol because what you do is you insert as SVG. So I need to get the Jurassic Park SVG. Ooh, that's gonna be a hard one to print. Ooh. Ooh. That's not gonna be too fun. Manage the Gathering, Lost Caverns of Ixalan. I don't know, however you pronounce it. We need to find the symbol for it. If they have a symbol. Oh gosh darn it. I need like the Jurassic Park symbol, but I need to simplify it. I might have to do that on my own and like literally just simplify it to be much simpler. But I do have a slight model I can kind of go off of. All right, let's try this. Size, shall we? All right, I'm gonna pull this into our model. Insert SVG, insert from my computer, my downloads folder, sketch plane. Oh, no, I didn't want it on that sketch plane. No, wrong plane. Sketch plane, select. I want it on the same one as my other ones. The left side. No! Crap. Frick. My Autodesk just broke on me. I hope I think it did save. We'll see. We'll see if it saved where I was. Oh, I hope it did. Let's do a recovery file. Yeah, let's open that. Might as well. Did it actually recover? Yeah, it did recover. Okay, good. Insert SVG. Insert my computer. Jurassic World logo. All right, so we have this Jurassic World logo. So we gotta simplify this a ton. This is gonna just be a mess if we don't simplify it. For one, we need to see what is the diameter of this thing. Inspect. I like inspect like the diameter of these. I need the diameter. Freaking diameter this. Looks like this might be 119 at its max point. Maybe not even 119. Maybe 118 point something. Probably 118 point something. We basically need to scale this though. Modify. Scale. Point. So we need a center point. Great. Let me try just 118. Oh, I think it is like almost exactly 118. I think the only difference is there's a little. There's a little off compared to ours, but that's okay. If you look at it, this is some weird chunks that are coming out of it. Excellent. All right, I think that's perfect there. Let's grab some of these things that are part of their model and delete it. So we gotta modify this. I gotta delete these pieces that are worthless to me. There's two pieces here. I'm trying to delete, not the circle. I'm trying to delete this piece here. Is that all? I think that's all. I think I deleted all of the outer circle. So now we have the inner circle. All right, guys, let's do some algebra time. Who's ready for some algebra? So we need to get 118 down to 59. How does one do that? Well, it's a simple math problem. Yay! Math problems. All right, who's ready for math? Basically, it is, all right, we got 118 over x, and that equals what, everybody? It equals 50, or no, we can do 60, or 59 over some scale factor, y. So, how do we get this down? Well, what times x equals 59? All right. So we can do 59 divided by 118. So let's do that. 59 divided by 118 equals 0.5. Wow, okay. Oh, yeah, that's stupid me. That is right. We should 0.5 this. All right, let's scale this thing down. Let's scale it down, everybody. Scale down. So we want to make this 0.5. It's like, whoa. Stop there. Stop right there. Scale sketch. Our point is this center little point. Our whole thing is all of this. And I just realized that this is locked. Gosh, freaking darn it. I hate the locking mechanisms in this freaking piece of junk. It's like, oh, you want to lock it? No, yes. I don't know. All right, now we can scale. Click the center point. Entities is all of this. We're gonna 0.5 this. Booyah. So now that should be at the same size as those. Excellent. All right, let's do some quick measurements. This is, okay, yes, diameter is 59. Excellent. That is what the diameter is of this. And we can even confirm it by just checking. That is 59. It has rounded to 59. Excellent. That is how we like it. All right, so we scaled that to 59. Now, the real scale is all of these details cannot get picked up by a 3D printer. So we need to get rid of some of this detail. Like this detail needs to get less detailed. I'm slightly tempted to just see what it would look like though. Here, let's just take as is and see what happens. All right, so we're going to extrude a couple of these pieces. Let's extrude this. Wait, no, that. Oh wait, let's finish sketch. Finish sketch. We're gonna extrude that piece out. I forget how much. Is it 1 millimeters? Am I extruding? I always forget how much I'm extruding out of these things. What did I do for this piece? Inspect. This piece I extruded from here to here. That's 1 millimeter. Inspect from here to here. That is 1.2 millimeters. Excellent. Okay. The base here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at our. He needs a dentist, doesn't he? We'll give him a dentist work. Don't worry. Extrude out. Actually, wait, we want to. 4, 5, 6, 7. Extrude all of his teeth out. He got to get his teeth. We're being a dentist right now. Extruding out the teeth of this fine gentleman right here. Fine dino. Extrude. And that extrusion will be a 1. Booyah. Look at that extrusion there. Alright. Now, we need to make sure everything here is connected in some way that it works. So this whole piece is technically connected. The teeth are not. Meaning, we almost need... I don't know. I'm trying to think how I want to do this. Oh, wait. How am I doing that? Oh, I don't need a negative. I need it to be positive. Positive direction. That, okay, there we go. So that way it pops out a little bit. Wait, is that really as much as it pops out? Is that all that's popping out? Wait. Is that how much is popping out of the green? Inspect. 1 millimeter. 1.2 millimeter. Go back over here. What is wrong about this? Oh yeah, it's not extruded at all. All right, extrude this another millimeter. Oh, it's -1. Oh, and he needs the dentist. Wait. I need this to be edit feature. I don't know if that worked. Did that work? Yes, that did work. Oh, that's a little too much. That's a little too much. Oh, I see. Look at that. It's just like, I got teeth on this side, but no teeth on that side. Oh, it looks like a 3D print is done. Let's try that 3D print. Ew. Oh, that's bad. That is really bad. That is really bad. That's horrible. That's going to the trash. Bad trash. The base looks good. Nice looking base, but pop. Yeah, that does not look good. Ugh. Question is, does it fit? It fits quite well in there. I almost need this to be 59.5. Because I almost need it to be snug. I think it needs to be 59.5. All right, let's do some extraction. Where's our sketch that we can sketch around? All right, 59.5. All right, now that we have 59.5, let that extract out. Wait, I need to go 1. Join. All right, let's see. What's the freaking area? It says the area. I don't need the area. I need the freaking diameter. Diameter is 59. I need it 59.5. Oh, I see. I see. Distance. It says diameter is 60. No, I need it between. Edit sketch. Need 59.5. Finish sketch. And then we got to extrude it. Once it's done, extruding because it has to go and reprocess everything I've done so far. Basically, which is horrible design of a program, in my opinion. I just realized this is like all weird. Extrude 0.1 or no 0.2. I mean. And then what we want to do is we need to take that. What the frick? Why is it? Why is it weird? What the frick is this? It's not letting me grab just this freaking face right here. It's like, oh, your face is gonna look all distorted. I'm like, no, I don't want it to look distorted. You piece of crap. You know what? Fine, we'll just create a new sketch because freaking this thing doesn't know how to do its job. I need 59.5. And this one needs to be 60. Oh yeah. Finish sketch. extrude. Stop it. Urgh. Extrude out, -5. I don't know. I'm just trying to cut that little bit off to make this circle. If it would let me see the circle. No, it's just showing the area. It need to see what the diameter is if this program will ever let me see the freaking diameter. So stupid sometimes. Let me just turn off all the sketches. Inspect. What is the diameter of this said object, if you would, please? Please? No? You're not gonna give me the diameter. Oh my gosh, this thing sucks. Oh. I need to know what this diameter is. Fine, I'll just grab the outer circle. There we go, 59.5. I just grabbed the outer circle. I wish it's like, oh, this is a circle sphere thing. It's gonna be a freaking diameter. All right, I don't know. I just know that this does not look good. Really don't like it. Failed print number 2. Hello there, GamerWire. How are you doing today? Okay, yeah, we want to expand this out. Hello there, Okada. Oh, so this one's too big. This one, I didn't like the texture of the surface. I thought the texture of the surface would be cool, but it just looks like a really, really crappy 3D print. So that is stupid. We don't need that. I gotta get off the ground. All right, so let's try this again. I do want to print. We could print both of these at the same time, really. Except for this one needs to be black, not in green. I'll print in green anyways, maybe just as test. Like I don't like the green anyways. I need to get a new green. My green is like a little bad looking color. But let's quickly fine tune this piece. So this piece. How do we do this exactly? So, oh wait, I think these teeth are too. Here, I need to extrude out these. Wait, are you gonna let me shift click and extrude all of these objects? This is a little too far out. I need to like get this a little closer in. Teeth are too much on the teeth. I'm doing some dental work on this dinosaur here. All right, extrude. -0.1. Oh, maybe I just need to do -1. Yeah, -1 will get it to be lined up pretty well. All right. I'm now working on a fan movie now. Ooh, nice, Okada, nice. Gotta get that good movie stuff. Oh, and I totally didn't even. I gotta like this to extrude out the other way as well. Ah! Here, can I like just bodies? Can I like just turn off this body? No? I don't know, whatever. We're just gonna grab them all individually, I guess. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. I want to click on those. I want to click on the faces, but not that face. That face is too big of a face. Ah, frick. I now don't. Oh my gosh. Oh, I freaking hate this thing so much. Stop being so stupid. Just here. Where's the sketch? Where's the sketch? Seriously? No sketch? Where the frick is my sketch? Why won't it show me my sketch? I'm showing every freaking sketch. Where is it? I already lost it. Oh, I freaking hate 3D modelers. These 3D modelers just suck sometimes. There we are. There's the sketch. It is sketch 40, apparently. Okay, now let's show that. I hate 3D modeling, you know. It's funny because like there's some video games that have like 3D modeling kind of things in them, and they're better than 3D modelers sometimes. Like seriously, they're so much better. And I'm like, I sometimes just want to 3D model in those because they just are better, just objectively better. All right. We need to do 1.2 to get this to line up. Yes, join. Excellent. This also needs to extrude out 0.2. Mesh, join. Excellent. Okay, so that's much better. The back is all single tone. Front, not single tone. I kind of want to... This one's a little tricky, because if I add too much... It's a multi-movie series of Friday Night Freddy's. Oh, nice. Being a fan movie on that, eh? Hey. All right, here, let me quickly get another 3D print started. Let me take this one, save as mesh, blah blah blah, body. Oh, this is gonna be forest. 59.5. 59.5, meaning it's size of 59.5. 59_5. Let's just do that and save. Open up my Bamboo printer. Prepare. Get rid of that. 59. Wait, it didn't extract. What the frick? Save as mesh. Oh, it saved it to downloads folder. Okay, fine. Why'd you save it to my downloads folder? Remember where I save my things so I don't have to be such a pain. All right, so if I slice plate, let's see what it looks like. So this is what I tried to print previously, and it looked garbage. That is garbage, my friends, garbage. And I kind of don't like the bottom either. Yeah, the bottom didn't do so well. So let's make the bottom not this, just standard monochrome line. That way, I think that was, what was default actually? Bottom surface, what's the default? Oh, monochromatic, okay. Yeah, because the bottom looks really, really good just as that. We don't want the bottom to look like that. It looks awful. Next we want the top to be... I'm trying to think what would be best for the top layer. Like, it doesn't look horrible, like this top line. This top lining. But maybe it needs to be different angle. What does rectangular look like? This just looks the same as the other one. Okay. Concentric? No, that was, concentric was the other one. Aligned rectangular, whereas everything's the same way. I don't want it to be the same way. What is this pivot curb? I'm very tempted to just see what this looks like. This probably looks like junk because if you look at all of these pieces, those pieces would just look awful. It would just look so awful. So I'm tempted to just do just the basic, even though I don't like the basic. I like, if I was to sell this product, I would need this to be what? I would need to stand this down. No, standing looks awful. I need like, where's my knife? I don't have a knife around here. Yeah, I would need to like go and scratch up all of the retracting points because you can see the retracting points on this. And hopefully that would make it look better. My end product is going to be that this is going to be made out of ABS so I can acetone smooth. That's the end product. That's the goal. But I don't know if we're gonna make that goal one day. All right, we're 3D printing that slice plate. So this is the 59.5 sizing. Yeah, 59.5 slicing. This is a 9, our total time is 5-minute print. Print plate. I don't think we need to do time lapse. We don't need to do bed leveling. All right, let's send it. Sending the print over. If you guys want to see the printer, it's right there. That's what the printer is. All right, we're sending that print over. We'll see how that does in the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it is. Prepare time is 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, while that works on that, I'm gonna let's send this to a STL file. So this is gonna be jur 59.5. Meaning it's a jur. I need jur 59.5. I need this to be in a different location. I want this to be on my model display here. Wait, Mag Designs. Mag Designs, that's where I want it. Alright, save. Okay. Did it send? Yeah, I think it's sending. Okay, it's sent. All right. File, new project. Actually, if I go over here, yeah, it's still printing. Okay, good. Just want to make sure it's not like messing up things. All right, we want to throw our Jurassic Park here, and I wanted to see what it looks like or what it might look like. Snap at the face. Slice it. Slice and dice. What does this look like? Yeah, look at that. That's that might not be that good at all. Like, look, it's just gonna be a 3 lines up and then it just stops. That could really be messy of a design. This might look just horrible completely. But you don't know until you know, right? We might as well just go and do it. I might just try to 3D print this just to see how it's gonna look. Do I have the one thing off? Yeah, there's no fuzzy skin. Yeah, I think we're gonna. Is there like any kind of like top layering thing here? G-code retraction, flush, fuzzy skin. Nah, I don't think that has it. I want fuzzy skin on the top. All right, I think we're gonna print this and just see how this goes next. Oh. Hopefully this guy enjoys his box. I think it'll look pretty cool. We got the ones on the one side, the other on the other side. This will look good. And I think I might try super gluing. Maybe. I don't know. I guess super gluing doesn't stick for long periods of time. I don't know. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Who knows? Let's play some more music. All right, well, that does its 3D printing. Why don't we, I don't know, let's do something. What should we do? I don't think there's anything more I can do right now before testing stuff. What should we do, guys? I'm trying to think. I think we could possibly play some Magic the Gathering. So I have a cool idea I want to try. I don't know if I can do this too well. Here. What's up? I need to like go and throw away some stuff that's on my desk. Ugh. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. I wanted to 3D model these attachments right here. They are almost too good, or they need to be a little better. So these attachments right here are pretty good exact around the Xbox controller. I need them to also have some layering that keeps them safe on some other aspects of it. I'm trying to think. I need to design these a little better because whoever designed this initial part is pretty good, but it could use some touching ups, I say. How far is that on the spectrum? Let me look here. This is not the best measurement system, but hey, that's all I got right now. So this is... So if that's 1 millimeter, wait, no, those are inches. I need millimeters. I need millimeters. So this thing is 1, 2, 3.5-ish millimeters. I'm trying to think. I think this might just be 1 millimeter more. I think I just might do 1 millimeter more. I think that's all I need to do. Here, let me start a new project here. New design. Actually, let me save this really quick. Where I was on here. All right, file, new design. Let's do this. Okay. I gotta import something. Downloads. Where was it? I need to import something. Import SVG, canvas, decal, mesh, import mesh. Yes, select from my computer. Got some designs I gotta import. Downloads. Aha, here we are. So this is a design somebody made, and it's pretty good. It's pretty solid design. It just could be touched up a little bit to make it better, if you know what I mean. It's not quite perfect. It's not perfection. I need perfection. I need perfection, or else it just needs more. I don't know. Yeah. Plus, this also could be printed out to either PLA, ABS. Maybe it could be printed out ABS, actually. Might be good. Don't know. Maybe. All right, so we need, how do you do this? Flip up direction. Are these the exact same size? I think they are. Wait, I just realized, are these not the same size? These joysticks? Are Xbox joysticks the exact same for both? one almost looks smaller than the other, but I wonder if that's because of some kind of optical illusion. Very tempted. I gotta like figure this out now. This thing is 13 millimeters. 13 millimeters. Yeah. Okay. So it is the same size. I was worried that it was not the same size. I'm like, this is gonna be weird. Okay. We need. So insert mesh. We need to turn this mesh into a object. I can't remember. How do you create an object? Create components from bodies? No. So we need to convert this mesh. Utilities? Is it? Utilities, utility. Plastic. Modify. Here we are. Convert mesh. Polymetric. Alrighty, here we are, guys. We got ourselves an object now that can be edited. Okay, so they filleted a lot of this. This is a lot of fillets and everything. Might just have to 3D or like create our own 3D model of this completely all the way around. How are we gonna do this exactly? We might have to just redo this whole thing. I like how they did it. It just needs lots of touching up. Because you kind of want it to come out and lock in so that you don't mess with anything. It needs to be thicker. It needs to be just thicker. Well, not thicker all the way around, but parts of it needs to be thicker. How are we going to do this? Alright, this is gonna be Xbox saver. Joystick saver. So I need to like, how do I do this? I need to like delete surfaces, basically. How do I? Joystick saver. Okay, I need to go to surface. Something like this. Is it surface? This one? If I do those, I do what? Modify? I think there's like some kind of button I found yesterday that's just like remove surface. I'm like, yes, I want that. Simplify. Remove faces. I think that's what it is. Let's apply that and see how that looks. Let's see if it works. Sometimes it just doesn't work. Did it do it? Oh, okay. It's letting me select faces. This is good. I need to select a lot of faces. I need to select all of these faces, really. But maybe we should only do a few at a time. We'll see. Gosh. All right. Yeah, let's just do that. Delete. Perform the delete command. See if it works. Taking a long time to roll. Oh ho ho! There we are. Look at that. Looky. I got a hooky. I like it. It looks really good. That is what we like. Nice and clean. All right, so that made it very nice and clean. Like way cleaner than I thought it would. I really wish I could tell what kind of what fillet this is. That's a really good fillet. I'm kind of curious. Can I like inspect this? I want to see what the difference is between that face and that. 90-degree angle. What's the distance? It's 0.7. So I think that's a 0.7 fillet then. Okay, so now I need to, how am I gonna modify, simplify, remove faces? So we need to like almost delete all of these faces. Oh, 3D print is done for the one thing. Gotta get this to work though. I want to get this running because this might take a couple minutes for this to run while I switch a couple things. All right, let's click delete on that and see how that works. Let me grab this and see how this looks. 3D print is okay. Having issues on something. It looks kind of it looks rough. It looks a little too rough. Don't like how rough it looks, but hey, I guess that's what I get. The bottom looks gorgeous though. The bottom is gorgeous. Except for we're not showing the bottom, we're showing the top. Sadly. Oh, let me throw this back into my printer. All right, how's the size though? Is the size gonna fit? That's the real question. Also, let me scratch the surface a little bit to see if I can get it look a little nicer. Trying to like scratch off some like loose debris of plastics. And I'm kind of tempted to like try to maybe put some paint in here almost, maybe that might be good. That could be a way I could get it to work decently. All right. Want the truth? Does it fit? Does it fit? It does fit. All right, that I think is the perfect clearance. It sticks in there on its own now. So yes, I think that is our final solution. We have our final solution, everyone. Magic the Gathering symbol right there on the side. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. All right, so I think we're gonna do that. I need to, order a ton of ABS plastic. Did that not work? Let me like delete this. I want to see how this works. If this works deleting. I want to get rid of this fillet. Oh, I don't know what that did. Here, let me just like fillet the bottom, or like get this bottom cleared off too, maybe. Yes, there we go. The bottom's much cleaner now. How am I going to get this fillet away? I need to get it away somehow. These things go away. Go away. Here, let me just try these edge 2. Maybe this edge 2 will work. It's fine. Oh, wait, did it do it? Don't know if it actually did it. Wait, I wasn't paying attention almost. Just the edge 2? I think it's working. You kind of have to go like a couple at a time, it seems. I'm on the correct side to do this, right? Yeah. Not working. Oh wait, no, it kind of is. Kind of is working. Except for I gotta do this to all edges. I'm trying to get rid of this fillet. Or whatever it's called. Is it a fillet? I think yeah, it's a fillet. when you have a part like that. Trying to get rid of all these faces right here. It's gonna take a while to fix up. Mm-hmm. 3D modeling montage. I did that, just did this. I actually kind of wonder what it's gonna do. Still processing. Come on, this thing forever. I just need to make this a little better. I'm just gonna screw that one. Is it done yet? No, still processing. Yep, it's processing. It's gonna take a long while. No faces were able to be removed from pod. What? This thing takes so long now. Modify. Simplify. Remove features. Ooh, wait, we can remove. Oh, I've never used this setting before. This might actually help a ton. I don't know why it's working, but it's really working. All right, we want to remove. Wait, what is this? I want to remove fillets. Manual features. Is this seriously not gonna sense that that's a fillet right there? That's a fillet. Okay, this is not sensing that that's a fillet. Yo, Insue Hashibira. Hi, Omega. If you still play a Township Tale, can we play together? I'm on Quest servers. Yeah, we're probably not. I don't play on Quest servers much. I'm trying to get this to work so we can create products and sell them on Etsy and stuff. Oh, but it's not working too well right now. Trying to get this to work. Choose appropriate objects and define the replacement shape. Okay, we need to remove faces, which is like all of these faces right here. These faces need to be removed. That's not that. No, we don't need to remove these ones. I want to remove those ones. Delete those faces. Kaboom. Remove. Nothing was removed from objects, so that's a pain in the buttocks. Actually, wait, can I get all of these and maybe just go one at a time? It's gonna take a while, but let's see if it'll work. Did the top surface just fine. It just needs to do this next layer just fine. It did not sense it all the way around, sadly. Okay, let's go to the top and let's like just forever. Yeah, this is gonna take so freaking long. I have to select every freaking square, like triangle. Like, look how many triangles there are. There's gonna be like hundreds of triangles. I need this to be more automatic than this. It needs to be a lot more automatic. Alright, let's just try these ones that I have selected and just delete those. It's doing decent in deleting those. It's just not doing it all the way around. I need it to go all the way around. Oh, and I desperately needed to go right here on these ones. Oh. Let me just delete those and just see what happens. Oh. That works. I kind of want this to be here. I don't want that selected. Wait, what's all selected? It has 28 things selected, but I don't know what the 28 are. Freaking, I don't know. Going one at a time around this thing. Let's see what it looks like when I delete it. Thing. Oh, hello. It just did something funky. That did something real funky. Ooh. Yes. Oh, this is taking forever. This is gonna take forever. I don't know why. It's gonna take lots of time. Yeah. Does that actually do anything? I wonder, is this a perfect circle? Might be. This is taking so long. Taking too long to run. Yeah, it's taking too long to run. It could be faster. Wish it could be easier, but it's not. Just waiting for this to be done. Because it's taking forever and I don't know why. It's just being a pain because I have a freaking good computer and it doesn't sound like it's doing anything. Yeah. Taking a little too long. I guess while it worked on that, I could try playing a game and seeing if like it will slow it down technically because the game would use a semi-processor, but who knows? It doesn't sound like my computer's revving up, so it doesn't. I don't think it's doing anything too complicated. Oh, there we are. It did some. All right. I think we're gonna rebuild this thing completely from scratch. All right, let's get a few measurements here. What is the difference between this side and this side? This is 4 millimeters in different distance. So it's gonna be a circle that's 4 millimeters wide. How big of a circle? All right, so we want to figure this out there. What's the distance between these two flat surfaces? Has 9mm distance between them. So if here to here is 10mm, that means that this is 0.5 in. 0.5 along this line. This is 0.5 along this line, if it lets me. Making this 9mm. Boom. Okay, so that we got that section in. Now we kind of need, let's see, here to here. I think that's supposed to be 4mm, but it's not. All right, let's do a quick inspection. What is that with this with this side? Has 3mm. If that's 3mm distance, what is 9? Okay, we gotta base everything off of this, really. We got the 5. So this 2 here is 9. We need to do 3mm. 3. Take this choke point right here. This needs to be 3. And then that at a right angle. Do 90. That will be there. $90. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, it's gonna take a long time to do this. I'm gonna reverse engineer everything basically, which is a pain in the butt to do, but I gotta do it. Mm-hmm. 3, 2, Okay, what's the center then? That's 3, that's 3. 4.5 would be the center. So somewhere in the center here would be the center of this circle. I'm just judging by where it is. It might be more close to here. Lower than that. Wow. Okay. Like around here. A little above that. How can I find the center of this circle? Oh, that's something calculus doesn't teach you that easily. Center of a circle, where is it? I need to find the center of this curve. I guess there's tangents and stuff like that. Is there like... You can kind of get the tangent of certain things a little bit. Let's do 7.25. Wait, so actually maybe I can get the center of it if I just did. That's 7.25 to there. What's the halfway point of the whole thing as a total? From here to here. It'd be like what, 20? $21.6 divisible by 4. That's the real question. 21.6 divisible by 0.4. 54 times, yes. We're gonna do 21.6. Meaning 20. 21.6 divided by 2 is 10.8. I mean, that's the center of everything. Ah, crap, I just realized that whatever line that was is off. Mm-hmm, 10.8. All right, we have the center of the centers now. But that is not the center of our circle, apparently. But that's not the center of the circle. What the flip? How? That's the center of everything, but I guess the circle isn't quite circular. I guess. Oh yeah, that's not the circle right there. I hate this stuff so much. I need to find the friggin' center. Can I like, let's finish sketch really quick. I kind of wanna. Can I do something here? Can I simplify, remove faces to these? Kind of curious if I want to do this or not. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this. Oh. Okay, I think I have it now. Or maybe. I don't know. Because if I have that edge. Okay, so this is 24 millimeters diameter. 24. Total. That is the final thing. And to be honest, I probably could have measured this whole time. What am I doing? Yeah, this is Fusion 360 Bridal. Thanks for stopping on by. But when I printed it, this is not actually 24. This is 21, 22, 23. Actually, no, I can see it being. Yeah, that's 24. That's 24. Okay, it's 24. It is 24. It's just the filleted parts of it make it harder to see. All right, 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 24. If I take my top piece right here, 12. Oh wait, no. I need this to be 12. I need that to be 0 or 90. Either or. There we go. That should be the true center now. Yes, it is the true center. I have it now. There is the true circle of the entire thing. I have finally created it. The true circle. Alright, so we have true circle is 24. This would be... What is this then? Is this 10? I think it's supposed to be 10. Oh, but it cuts into it quite a bit. At 10. That's actually really cutting into it. Maybe it's 9.5. 9.5? No. What the flip? 9.5. 9.6. Or no, 9.8? 9.9? What the frick? How did someone find this measurement? 9.85. It looks like it's slightly less than 9.85. Ah, gosh, freaking darn it. I don't know. What is the sizes of an Xbox joystick? Ooh, hello. Dimensions and drawings of a Xbox controller. I need much more measurements than that. That is not. It just has like the width and the height, and I'm like, I need all the dimensions. Every dimension you can think of. All of them. Gosh darn it. The size guides are just like, oh, how wide and tall they are. I'm like, no, I need like the exact manufacturer's estimations. Gosh. Okay, we know that that is 9. Theoretically, you don't need the circle. It just helps it kind of snug. I guess it is snug in there. It is snug in there. Gosh. Oh, okay, I'm trying to recreate these because then I want to edit them. So these are somebody else's model, but I'm gonna recreate them and make them better because they need to be better. They're not quite as good as I would like them to be. We could just try the 9 point, except for that's a little wider. I'd rather it be tighter than wide. How wide is one of these squares I have here? 0.003. Wow, that is. Oof. Oh. All right. You could try to find an STL of it and import it into your model software. So yeah, the thing is, I'm looking at the actual model right here of the thing I printed. So if I'm recreating it, I literally am trying to measure it out and everything. It's super hard to measure because it's not exactly the best science of measurement. Yeah, the measurement size is just weird because I can't. All this is filleted, and since it's filleted, it's hard to measure because I can't undo the fillet exactly like that easily. Okay. I think I'm good on that. Just a 9.85. And I don't think they did 10 because this is 9. That's 9. This is 9.85. What's 9.8 divided by 0.4? That's the rip one. 9.8 divided by 0.4 is 24.5, meaning it does not go evenly. 9.8? 9.9 divided by 0.4? No, 9.6 divided by 0.4. So 9.6 would be a more round number for my printer. Let's hide the mesh body really quick. We have a lot of measurements going on here. There's a lot of them. Okay, so basically if I recreated this thing, and then we have this little thing right here that helps it so it doesn't get too, like, I guess, a pain. Let me actually measure how deep did they make this. I have to hide my sketch really quick. How deep is, no, I need, how deep is this face from this face? That is 2.5 millimeters. All right, so they made that 2.5 millimeters. All right, unhide sketch. We need to do a lot of circles. We're gonna do a lot of circles here. All right, looks like this is 20. I'm just gonna make round numbers because maybe they meant to make round numbers and just the importing of the device made it not round. So 20 is there. I wish this would tell me the diameter. There we go. 22. So I think that's 2 millimeters wide. All right, so that's meant to be 2 millimeters wide. That's meant to be whatever width that is. I just messed up my whole freaking look of everything. Rearrange. I want top mop. I want it turned. There we go. Okay, so we got 20 going to there. Wait, that's actually not where I want it to be. So that line is where I want it to be. So it's gonna be 24, 20. How wide is this one? How wide is this circle? Crap, where's the measurement for this circle? Can't tell where the measurement of this circle is. I think it's 22. Yeah, that's 22. That's 24. Meaning this is probably 20. And then finally, this is, so that's 20. This is probably 18. Wait, 20? Wait a minute. 22. 21 is in there. So that's 22. This is 20. So that's 2 millimeters. Or no. What I'm making is these little pieces that go on a joystick, so it can save it for while you're traveling. So this doesn't move while you're traveling. Except this is a little imperfect. It's not quite perfect how I want it to be. It needs a little touch up on it, and it needs to be original because I don't want to sell somebody else's thing. So I'm trying to get proper measurements to make it better, because better is always best. All right, so I got 22. I just need to make sure I get the flat faces. That's the main thing. 20. This looks like this is 19. But 19 is not quite right because it's not quite 19. Gosh darn it. Fine, we're just gonna do 19 though. I don't know. It's just best for me to just keep to one. Okay. That's gonna be 19. All right, let's start making this a little bit. Gosh darn it. I hate how this thing works sometimes. Okay, kind of need this to tell me where this is on the circle. I did not grab from the center. Whoops. There we go. That's from the center. Gosh, work! Stop glitching out. There we go. Let's go to the outer edge over here, which I messed up actually. That sucks. Let's go to this one. This one's not as messed up. Did it just not do it? Wait, what the flip? I need a circle from here to here. Oh, it's just not doing it because I already have that measured out. Okay. Trying to think what else I need to get this to work the way I want it to work. Okay, I think I'm good. I think I'll just have to wing the last bit of it and test and try kind of thing. So let's see. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to test and try from here on out. Let's just finish the sketch. Let's move this out of the way for a second next to each other. Okay, so number one starting thing we're going to do is we are going to actually, can I just extrude the entire sketch? I want to extrude the entire sketch. We want to extrude it, how far? -2? -3? I totally forgot how far we actually wanted this thing. Oops, 4. Here, let me double check what the height is on this thing. That side, but this side. 4 millimeters. Okay, we want to extrude it 4 millimeters. So -4. Boom. We got a circle. Woo! Yeah, all of that work for a circle. Oh my gosh. All right. Next. Oh, I don't have this going to the edge. That's good. I need these to go all the way to the edge. I need this going all the way to the edge. Yeah, I need to make all these things kind of like go where they need to go. All right, here we are. All right. Now what I need to do here is, oh frick, that still needs to be edited. Frick. Edit sketch. Yeah, this needs to come in right here. 90. I guess I'm just gonna take this top edge. $180. Boom. All right. Cool. 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 Finish sketch. Now we're going to boom, boom. All of this we're taking it out. All the way to here. I think that's how much we're taking out. We're cutting that chunk out, and that creates that. It's 2 millimeters. Was that 2 millimeters in this one? Let me try and double check. 2. Oh. What was this? Need this to tell me. Yeah, the distance was 2 millimeters. Excellent. We are recreating this. Recreating your amazing sketch so I can not have to use it. I'm evil. Evil, I say. Alright. Now the next tricky part is the fact that this, so I wanted to do something new to this thing, something a little better, a little different, which is this thing is not quite in line with this circle here. At least I don't think it is. The highest part of this is about 1 more millimeter out of where it's supposed to be. I'm trying to think how far that might be. This is 4 millimeters. It's gonna need to be a 5 millimeter around the outer edge. How far around the outer edge is it? Can't do that though. Could do it like almost 2 millimeters from out the outer edge, to be honest. So I'm kind of thinking what we could do is I take Wait, what is this object? Why am I not? What the frick? Why is there like a... I don't know why there's this extra body right here. I hope I didn't mess up any of my measurements, but we'll see. All right, so we want... Why is there like hidden lines in here? Like, what is these hidden lines? I don't want the hidden lines. So I want these to like extrude out another 1 millimeter maybe? Yeah, I think I want them to extrude out 1 more millimeter. That can go back down 2 millimeters if I remember correctly. Let me inspect this just in case. Yeah. No, no, no. Inspect. I want that. And I want that. What is that? 2.5. So it's 4 total, meaning I need 1.5 down. All right. This. Those are extruding down 1.5. Cut. And booyah. I think that's the model without filleted edges. Yeah. Let's save that really quick. Now we gotta do a lot of filleting. Let's remove, we don't need the mesh body here anymore. We don't need this here anymore. Let's start filleting lots of stuff. Okay, let's fillet this. Fillet. 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 Yeah. Fillet. I always forget how like the filleting works well or not. I think it's filleted 5. Do we want to fillet 5 it? I don't remember what was. So edge is the tangent. Oh, oops. 0.5. So filleting is a tangent trajectory of it, I think. If that's how it works. If it's a tangent trajectory, what's the radius of the fillet, technically? Which is... Wait, what? That's not how it works. Wait, if it's the radius. Because 0.5 is quite a bit. Because if I tangented the other side of it, that's going to just be a one round thing. So I want to 0.25 it. And then we want to fillet that. That's going to be 0.25. That'll be good. And then this one can be tangented or filleted a lot more. This could be 0.5 if I really wanted to. Actually, technically, I think that's filleted even. I think there's filleted even more, but I'm just gonna leave it at 0.5. I think that's good enough for what we're doing today. All right, now we want to fillet 0.5. Okay, I guess we gotta do them separately. All right, fillet this. Oh boy, this is gonna have a hard time filleting. Is there like certain ones that we need to fillet first? I guess we need to fillet these edges first. Fillet 0.5. Or this is gonna be 0.25. Oh, that's like filleted a ton. That's gonna be like way filleted down. 5. Oh, whoa. 2. How far is that gonna be filleted? 3. 2. I think 2 looks good. I like 2. That's filleted too. Fillet that one. I think that looks good, filleting that one. Fillet that one. Need this like an internal fillet? How does that work? Fillet that one. Like that. Look at that. This is looking good. You can feel it done. I think that one's actually probably 0.25. So 0.25. All right, is that all? Edges are basically filleted. I guess these are not filleted in these corners. I almost need this to actually extrude down further. Now I look at it, I'm like, this needs to probably go down even more. Let me think. I think 125. So there to there is 125. I'm trying to think. 125. Half of 125 is 50, 60. That's like a weird measurement. I gotta do some math here. 180 minus 125 is 55. 55. Oh yeah. Well, oh yeah. Okay, cool. Finished sketch. Okay, I think we're gonna extrude this down to this chunk. Maybe negative 1.5. No, 1.5? Yeah, 1.5. Okay. Giving us a little more bunginess to it. Fillet that 0.25. Fillet 0.25. Fillet 0.25. Actually, is it better thing? So fillet is. Do you want to? I guess I might want to actually fillet things all at once. It's probably more healthy for a fillet. If I did that, fillet. Yeah. That's what I really want to do. I need to actually undo. A couple of fillets here and there. Wait, crap, gosh darn it. I got rid of my one thing. I got 125. 12. Boom. 55. 12. Boom. You delete that fillet. Delete that fillet. I just need to delete. Yeah, I just need to delete a lot of these fillets, please. That fillet can stay. I think all of these are gonna probably be about the same. It'd be a really long calculation for this to make, but whatever. I don't know. Fillet everything. You gotta feel it like it's a boss, because that's what fillets do. Make things curved. We gotta say it's gonna be all good. Alright, fillet. We're 0.25ing all of that. Except for I don't even think a 0.25 fillet's gonna do much. I'm liking my model, but it might be a little too chunky depending. Let's do it. Let's just do that. Let's fillet this edge here. This is going to be the base edge, which is going to be the most crucial of them all. Oh, they even filleted that. All right. Is that one consistent fillet around everything? So I need all. Looks like they filleted all edges. All right, I think let's just try that. Let's fillet every single freaking edge of this entire 3D model. Let's see how far we go with. Every single flipping edge. Fillet that, fillet that, fillet that, especially that, and there, and there, and there, and there, and everywhere. Fillet it all like our boss. We're gonna be crazy, yeah. Filleting it all. Cause we're crazy, man, crazy. I have everything selected. I don't know. I'm just selecting it all. Select that piece there. And that piece. Oh, not the face, the edge. Okay. Think I got it all. Swing up. I'm not. That's not selected. Okay. I think that is everything. Do it. 0.25. Actually, 0.3. 0.4. All right, that's what it looks like. You fillet everything. Nice, clean, filleted model. Let's do it. Just do it. I kind of want to like move this body, mesh body, back on and see how different it is. So mine snaps on there a little more than theirs. But it is like almost the same. They filleted that corner a little more than me. Yeah, they did quite well. All right, let's export this and save it, shall we? Or export this and send it. Body 2. Save as mesh. Okay. This is Xbox One joystick lock. Travel lock. Wait, it's failing to save? No, I'm working offline. That's why. Gosh darn this thing. It doesn't work freaking offline. I got a freaking epic freaking thing. I don't know why you're just being so painfully annoying. All right. This Xbox travel. Xbox One travel joystick travel lock. Save. All right, let me clean up this build plate. New project. All right, we want. Let's see how this is. The lice and dice. Looking good, looking good. Print plate. Send. Should be 10, or this is like a 10-minute, 5-minute prep, 10-minute model, but yeah. All right, that sounds good. I think we got a lot of stuff done today. I think I'm gonna put a pause there. And yeah, stuff like that. This was good. Thank you all for watching. If you guys have popped on in, other than that, I'll see you later. Bye bye.